Hello everyone. We're so excited to introduce the upgraded 3.0 Test Beauty Privacy Shades to all of our Tesla Model 3 friends today. Let's go! There are 8 pieces in the package. The front windshield cover comes with a separate storage bag and it's folded like a circle to save space. We have a separate video on the Test Beauty YouTube channel to teach you how to fold it back into a circle. Take a close look at the fabric. The outermost layer is a premium reflective layer, and the inside is 100% dark. We made the privacy curtain 5 layers thick to perfectly ensure it's not flimsy. As well, multiple layers of material can bring better privacy, heat resistance, and a more dark effect. Usually, we set up the sun shade with the silver reflective layer facing out to achieve the best effect of sunlight being reflected. But you can always set it up with the dark side facing out if you need more privacy. For the 2 small triangular covers, we designed a small loop on each piece to help pull it out very easily. The 8th piece is the rear windshield cover, which is the biggest update this time. As you can see, it comes with 5 suction cups which guarantee easy installation and ensure that it won't fall off. Now let's set up the front windshield shade. In order to achieve the best sun reflecting effect, we put the silver lining facing out. Put the bottom into place. Hook the Velcro around the rear view mirror. And then put down the 2 visors. We don't use thin, flimsy material, so it won't sag, and it blocks sunlight very well. Now let's set up the side window cover. Insert the bottom of the cover into the window frame first, and then push the upper part into place. Then adjust the corner soft edges to make sure that there are no holes. It's the same easy way to set up the rest of the 3 side covers. Just make sure to touch the corners and the ends so that no sunlight comes through. As mentioned before, you can always choose to set up the black side facing out. The small triangular cover, you can just push it into the frame easily in 2 seconds. But always remember to insert the bottom into position first, which is the easiest way to install it. Now we see the rear windshield cover. Again, we need to put the bottom edge into the gap first, which is very important. And then use strength to push the 5 suction cups onto the glass one by one. Remember to ensure the suction cup is flat and not curled up, and to apply some strength when pushing the suction cups so that the rear windshield cover won't fall off. Pay attention to this when you remove this piece because the suction cup is very tightly sealed onto the glass. You can't usually take it off by pulling the suction cup handle. You simply need to go behind the cover and peel off the cup as shown in the video. Now that we set up all the pieces, it took me around 3 minutes to finish the installation. Take a look at the whole interior. Since today is very sunny, I felt really hot when I was installing them. But now that I sit in the car with the air on and the privacy curtains being installed, I feel the cool of the air more quickly. Maybe you don't see why Test Beauty Privacy Curtain is better. Take a look at another set that we bought randomly online. What makes the Test Beauty cover better is because we don't save costs on materials and workmanship. We make sure that each piece is durable, thick, and dark in order to have excellent sun blockage and privacy and to ensure long-term use.